In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, trigger back for settings, open that up, select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And underneath output, mono audio, toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.